let's go back. You see, price action is making so much sense. So much sense. Yeah, trying to do it in a faster way. I'm not used to using this software, but I want to show you some good things. Mhm. The entry was here, where the cursor is on that price. We are 0.2 size on yellow USD, aiming for this high and the previous high. This one, where is it? And which high? This high here, where you can see it clear on the 5 minute. Okay, it's here. If you want to hold for overnight, you aim for this high on 24, 24 69, 945. That's the most high. But to show you something, if you scale from the daily where the signal was, mhm, signal. Let me show you. Oh God, what is this now? You see, here there was a Favega. We hoped for retracement to that level, and the middle of the order broke here, so the price entered from here. But if you roughly, uh, if you would roughly, let me show you on the 4 hour, couldn't get a setup to tell you this. You may trust it to trade here and then go up, but there's nothing as something as signifying it for an entry that is a buy. That's why you always say that these charts of 1 minute, there are just some charts say they are just noise in the trade. No, there's no way that's noise. See, if you keep on scaling, the only entry you could get the nearest, but you could be still in that trade aiming for this high and this high, and you'd be staying there in that trade. So that's not a daily. It's not a scalp. It's not. You're not aiming for the day trade. You see, okay, I'm aiming for that. Trying to toward this trade after, yeah, because I see potential and I see there's some good relative highs here and here. That's why they're so smooth. Uh-huh. So I'm aiming for that area. Let's first put this down. Yeah, but if you would see and wait for the 1 minute, you would enter in a good price range. Uh, Good price range. Okay, where is that? Sick. It was here. You see, you'd enter from here, aim for these highs, aim for this, and you're done for the day. Get your 500, 600, 1,000 price in a day, and then you're done. Meet you later.